Hook, have you ever wondered how to receive USDT on Kraken? It's a common question, especially for those new to the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step, making it easy even for beginners to understand. Context: so, why USDT? Well, Tether, USDT, is a stablecoin, meaning its value is pegged to the US dollar. This stability makes it a popular choice for many traders and investors who want to avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. Step 1. Creating a Kraken account. Sign up. The first step is to create a Kraken account. Head over to Kraken's website and click on Sign Up. Verification. You'll need to provide some basic information and verify your email address. Security. Kraken takes security seriously, so you might be asked to complete additional verification steps. Step 2. Funding your Kraken account. Deposit methods. Kraken offers various deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and cryptocurrency deposits. Fiat deposits. If you're depositing fiat currency, you'll need to provide your bank details. Crypto deposits. If you're depositing cryptocurrency, you'll need to provide the wallet address associated with your Kraken account. Step 3. Purchasing USDT. Market order. One of the easiest ways to buy USDT is to place a market order. This means you're buying USDT at the current market price. Limit order. If you want to buy USDT at a specific price, you can place a limit order. Leverage. Kraken also allows you to trade USDT with leverage, but be aware of the risks involved. Step 4. Receiving USDT. Deposit address. Once you've purchased USDT, you'll need to provide the deposit address to the sender. Network. Ensure that the sender is using the correct network, e.g., ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, when sending USDT to your Kraken account. Confirmation. Once the sender has initiated the transfer, it should take a few minutes to a few hours for the USDT to appear in your Kraken account. Additional tips. Security best practices. Always protect your Kraken account by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding sharing your account details with anyone. Trading fees. Be aware of the trading fees associated with buying and selling USDT on Kraken. Customer support. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact Kraken's customer support. Conclusion. Receiving USDT on Kraken is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily add USDT to your Kraken account and start trading or holding it. Remember to prioritize security and be aware of the potential risks involved in cryptocurrency trading. Call to action. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency tutorials and tips. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.